Hey folks, today we are going to be programming a multi-coin mech. I covered this briefly in my mini claw machine unboxing, which you can find a link to down in the description, but this should work for most generic multi-coin mechs that you can find online in places like Amazon and Alibaba, AliExpress for very little money. Let's get into it. I'll leave this up for reference throughout, just in case you're programming along with the video. So first up, we want to press the plus and minus buttons at the same time until we see the A pop up. Then hit set and you should see an E pop up. Now this is where you decide how many coins you're going to program. In this case, I'm programming 5 coins. So first up, we're going to go to H1. This is the amount of coin samples you're going to do. It's best to sample as many of the same coin as possible. In this case, I'm doing 15 because I have 15. But as many as you can program, the higher the accuracy when someone puts in a coin of that denomination. Next up is pulses. So I've set my machine to 5 coins or 5 pulses per play. This is where you put in how many pulses for that particular coin. So in the case of H1, it's my lowest coin. It's a 10 pence, 10 cents. So I've given it 1 pulse. That way 5 of these coins will equal 1 game. Finally is accuracy. Now you can set this between 5 and 10, but the manuals say around 7 or 8. I set mine at 7 and I do that for every single coin. So we'll go through all of these. As you can see, for my second coin, I gave it 2 pulses. For my third coin, I give it 5 pulses, and so on and so forth. If you do the math beforehand so you know how many pulses you need per cost of 1 play on your machine. And that's it. Once you've programmed all your coins, you'll see that it goes back to 0. Now to make sure that the machine has saved this information, you need to detach the connector at the back and put it back in. A lot of the manuals say to do something different here, but in my experience, it has never worked. Taking out the connector, putting it back in, that will make sure the information is stored. Now it's time to actually sample the coins themselves. And here we go. I'm starting with my lowest coin. This is 10 pence, 10 cents, and this will give the machine 1 pulse. I sample all 15 coins, and once it's finished, it will automatically go to the next coin to sample. Alright, I'll speed through the rest of the coins because I just sample each one in turn. And there we go. Once again, when we've finished sampling, it will go back to 0, and once again remove the connector and put it back in. And just to test it, I put in a £1 or a $1 coin, and there you go, it gives 10 pulses. Well, I hope that was helpful. The first time is a wee bit finicky, let's use that word. But once you've done it once, it's just rinse and repeat, and it becomes so much easier. If you own mini claw machines, you might like some of the other how-to guides over on my shorts. In one of them, I replaced the whole gantry, and in another, I replaced the burnt-out motors in the claw itself. If you're an owner or lover of mini claws, then why not check out my channel? There's loads of claw machine content, from collection videos, unboxing of new machines, and just some downright silliness. You can follow me as I build my mini claw empire. Thanks so much. Until next time, happy gaming.